Read Michael runway hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have information Lima. Columbus International Airport ATIS information Lima. 18100 Zulu special. Wind calm. Visibility 10. Thunderstorm in the vicinity. Dodge your clouds at 1,300. Ceiling 1,900 broken. 1,000 overcast. Temperature 2.19er. Altimeter 2983. Remarks. AO2 lightning in the distance northeast. And east rain ended at 1755. Thunderstorm ended at 08. Thunderstorm moving north. Papa 0000 Tango 02110189er. ILS runway 10 right approach in use. Notice to air missions. Runway 10 left 28 right closed. Taxiway Romeo 2 closed. Taxiway Echo 1, Echo 2, Foxtrot 1, Pure closed. Taxiway Delta closed between Taxiway Delta 4 and Taxiway Delta 5. Taxiway Foxtrot closed between Taxiway Foxtrot 1 and Taxiway Foxtrot 2. Taxiway Echo closed between Taxiway Echo 1 and Taxiway Juliet. Taxiway Delta between Charlie 9 and Hotel lighting non-standard. Runway 10 right, condition code 555, 100% wet, at 2008. ILS runway 28, left right slope out of service. Bird activity vicinity airport. All departing aircraft without pre-departure clearance, contact clearance delivery on 126.3. Read Michael runway hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have information Lima. Columbus International